In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the No Preview Available issue for files in Google Drive. This problem can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to access important documents or images. So if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps me out. First things first, if you encounter this error, it could be because the file owner has accidentally deleted the file and it's currently sitting in their trash. The first step to resolving this issue is to contact the file owner. You should let them know that the file is in their trash and that they might want to take a look at it. Once you've reached out to the owner, kindly request them to restore the file. They can do this by going to the bin or trash in their Google Drive. It's pretty straightforward. They just need to right-click on the file and select the Restore option. After they do this, ask them to share the file link with you again to see if the issue has been resolved. If the file is not in the trash and the owner says the file is still there, the next thing to check is the sharing permissions. Make sure that the owner has enabled link sharing. They can do this by clicking on the file, then selecting Share, and ensuring that link sharing is set to anyone with the link can view it. If you're expecting access via your email, they can also explicitly add your email address with permission to view the file. Sometimes it's just a simple permission issue that can be easily corrected. Now let's say you checked with the file owner and permissions are fine, but you're still experiencing the issue. In that case, we might need to manage our Google accounts. If you're logged into multiple Google accounts, it's best to log out of all of them and then log back in only with the account that has permission to access that file. This can often clear up any confusion surrounding access rights. If you're still struggling, it might be time to troubleshoot your browser. Start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. This helps to remove any outdated data that might be causing issues. After clearing your cache, disable any browser extensions you have, as sometimes they can interfere with Google Drive functionalities. Another potential fix is to open the link in incognito mode. This runs your browser without any extensions and doesn't use cached data. If that doesn't work, you might want to try using a different web browser altogether. Sometimes, switching browsers can do the trick when it comes to resolving these sort of issues. Lastly, if the file was deleted more than 30 days ago, it can't be restored from the trash. In this situation, the only solution would be for the owner to upload the file again. Once they do that, make sure they provide you with a new sharing link. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the No Preview Available error with files in Google Drive. By staying in touch with the file owner, managing permissions, troubleshooting accounts and browsers, you can get access to your important files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.